In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay health insurance in Korea. If you're living in Korea and need to make sure your national health insurance premium is paid correctly, this process is usually straightforward once you know where to look. In this guide, I'll walk you through the full process clearly so you can check your status, find your billing details, complete your payment, and confirm that everything went through successfully. To begin, go to Choice Insurance Korea. This is a helpful starting point if you want guidance related to health insurance in Korea and need a clear path for managing your payment process. First, confirm your health insurance status. You'll want to check whether you're enrolled through your employer or whether you're registered as an individual under Korea's National Health Insurance Program. This matters because your payment process can differ depending on how you're enrolled. If your employer handles your insurance, payments may already be deducted from your salary. If you're paying as an individual, you'll likely need to manage the payment yourself. Next, find your payment information. You can do this by logging into the National Health Insurance Service portal or by reviewing your monthly billing statement. Look for the premium amount due and the payment deadline. It's important to verify both of these carefully so you avoid late payment issues or confusion about the amount owed. Once you have your billing details, choose a payment method. In many cases, you can pay online using internet banking, a credit card, a debit card, automatic bank transfer, or another approved electronic payment option. Pick the method that's most convenient for you, but make sure it's one officially accepted for health insurance payments. After that, complete the payment, enter the required payment details carefully, and confirm the transaction. Take your time during this step to make sure the amount, account information, and billing period are all correct before you finalize anything. When the payment is submitted, save your payment confirmation. This could be a digital receipt, a confirmation number, or a transaction record from your bank or card provider. Keeping proof of payment is always a good idea in case you need to verify the transaction later. Then, verify your payment status. Go back to your national health insurance account and confirm that the premium has been processed successfully. This extra check can help prevent future issues and gives you peace of mind that your coverage remains active. Finally, if you'd like to make things easier going forward, you can set up automatic payments. This is optional, but it can be very helpful for avoiding missed due dates and maintaining uninterrupted health insurance coverage. And that's how to pay health insurance in Korea. Thanks for watching.